Homeowners in Sugar Land know that the local climate can be both a blessing and a challenge. Warm sunshine, mild winters, and long stretches of beautiful weather make this part of Texas a great place to live. But that same climate also brings intense heat, high humidity, and sudden storms, conditions that can take a toll on your home's comfort and energy efficiency. That's why replacement windows aren't just a home improvement project in Sugar Land. They're a long-term investment that pays you back in comfort, savings, and peace of mind. Hot summers demand better efficiency. Sugar Land experiences long, hot summers with temperatures frequently climbing well into the 90s and sometimes beyond. Older, single-pane or poorly insulated windows struggle to keep that heat out. As a result, your air conditioner works overtime to cool your home, leading to higher energy bills and added strain on your HVAC system. Modern replacement windows are engineered for climates exactly like this. Features like low-E coatings, double or triple glazing, and insulated frames help block heat transfer and reduce solar gain. This means your home stays cooler without relying heavily on your AC. Many Sugar Land homeowners notice a big difference immediately. Rooms that were once hot spots become consistently comfortable. High humidity calls for durable materials. Humidity is a year-round reality in Sugar Land, and it can be damaging to older windows. Wood frames warp. Seals loosen. Moisture sneaks in and causes foggy glass, mold, or even rot. Once that happens, windows lose much of their insulating power, and your home comfort suffers. Today's replacement windows are built to withstand moisture better than ever. Vinyl, fiberglass, and composite frames resist swelling and warping, while modern seals keep humid air where it belongs, outside. This durability means you'll enjoy longer-lasting performance, fewer maintenance headaches, and windows that look great no matter what the weather brings. Sudden storms highlight the need for strength. Sugar Land is no stranger to heavy rains, strong winds, and the occasional tropical system. Old or weakened windows can rattle, leak, or even break under these conditions. Not only does this threaten your home's interior, but it also exposes your family to potential safety risks. Upgrading to high-quality replacement windows ensures your home is better protected. Many modern windows come with impact-resistant glass, reinforced frames, and secure locking systems. These enhancements help your home stand up to storms and reduce the chance of water or wind damage. With stronger windows, you can feel confident even when the weather turns quickly. Lower energy bills all year long. With Sugar Land's warm climate, homeowners use air conditioning for much of the year, not just during the summer peak. Replacing drafty, outdated windows can significantly reduce your monthly energy use. Energy-efficient windows act as a buffer between your indoor space and the outdoor climate, helping stabilize temperatures and giving your HVAC system a break. Most homeowners find that replacement windows start paying for themselves through lower utility bills, reduced HVAC repairs, and improved home efficiency. It's an investment that keeps giving back every month. Increased comfort and better indoor air quality. Replacing old windows doesn't just improve energy performance, it enhances how your home feels day to day. New windows reduce noise, block UV rays that fade furniture, and eliminate uncomfortable drafts. Better sealing also helps keep dust, pollen, and outdoor pollutants from entering your home, which is especially valuable during high allergen seasons. A strong return on investment. Because Sugar Land's climate makes window performance so important, replacement windows add noticeable value to your property. Whether you plan to sell soon or simply want to boost curb appeal, modern windows are one of the most attractive upgrades you can make. Buyers appreciate homes with energy-efficient features, and windows are often one of the first things they look at.